Welcome to a video from thedigital-lifestyle.com. This is the Yamaha DX7 demo tape, which I sent for in 1987. So this is what Yamaha used to use, and all the music tech companies used to use before YouTube, before influencers and everything else. This is how you could listen to a demo of the synth without actually going physically playing one in a store. So I've got previous video was of the DX100, this one, but this is the later DX7S. And this is a great tape made by Yamaha UK with some really nice demos of some of the DX7S patches on there, with a little bit of reverb. It's a bit more serious than the DX100 one, which was a bit fun, but this one is a very good idea of how Yamaha was selling the DX7S back in 1987. So sit back, have a listen, and enjoy the demo of the DX7S.
Welcome to the new DX7S. In 1983, Yamaha introduced the world's best-selling synthesizer ever, the DX7. Using the power of digital FM synthesis, Yamaha were able to produce the most exciting and realistic spectrum of sounds to date. Now, after 4 years of intensive research, Yamaha have developed FM to a completely new level of sophistication and sound quality. The DX7S has arrived. Listen to this tape and experience some of the exciting voices, features and controls of this amazing new instrument. Remember, you're hearing just the DX7S with a little help from the RX5 drum machine and a touch of reverb. The voices featured on this track are insects, tambourine, touch-sensitive didgeridoo, hit pad, brass and birds. Track 2 features the stunning sound of just one of the new DX7S guitar voices. Notice the effective use of single-note pitch bend and listen to the realism of squeaking guitar strings. 3 introduces a new feature on the DX7S, Fractional Scaling. Fractional scaling allows fine adjustment to the colour or tonal characteristics of a voice across its entire range. Here it is used to create a keyboard split effect. Bass is followed by brass and then bells, all from one keyboard. This voice is called ElectoBak. Using another new feature, unison detune, any sound can become fuller and fatter at the touch of a switch. Here the DX7S is switching between normal mode and unison detune, and then back to normal mode. Optilate. This voice demonstrates how effective a sound modulating pitch can be, using pitch change on key release. The DX7S is now in performance mode. This track features the exciting sounds of orchestral stab and saxophone. Notice particularly the realism of the FM cabassa in both twist and shake phase. Other voices include bongo, spit flute, whap synth, string bass and squeaky bass. Listen also to how the new CX slider controls can change the colour or timbre of the string voice in real time. Track 7 is unique. Wonderfully rich, strong sound is created using the new features of random pitch and multi-lfo. Each note produces two voices, simultaneously creating natural chorus. Aftertouch is being utilised to control not only volume and vibrato, but also harmonic content, or tone colour. Listen to the most exciting and dynamic strong sound yet from just one DX7S. Well, there we have it. Just a small selection of the voices of Yamaha's new DX7S. Remember, you have been listening to just one DX7S. Now you know why we call it the leader of the pack. Standard multi-track techniques have been used and there are no effects except reverb. The new DX7S. For further information, please contact your nearest Yamaha high-tech music dealer or Yamaha Kemble on 0908 71 771.